This was home for Hidefumi Ito. The size of a closet, it had what he needed most, an internet hookup and computer to job search. Ito rented this net room for around $20 a day after he lost his art gallery director job, his expensive home, and went bankrupt. Then his wife and 3 children left him.
とてもね、辛くて。
6 months later, life has improved.
はい、こんにちは、いらっしゃいませ。
Ito has a tiny apartment with his own kitchen and bath. But more importantly, a job. It's not glamorous, but it's saving him from a life on the street. Ironically, the same economic downturn that cost Ito his upper-class lifestyle landed him this job. Tsukasa, the company that created the net rooms, is seeing a boom in demand for its cheap daily rooms. Occupancy is always 100%, says Tsukasa's general manager. The company is constructing more buildings but can't keep up with the demand. Tsukasa, growing beyond expectations, hired Ito a few months ago. This is today's Japan, says Ito. It's a reality of the country. There's no safety net. We don't know our lives tomorrow. You can hear that same warning again and again in Tokyo's tent cities. This is a once unthinkable scene in a country where lifetime employment was the rule just a decade ago. After the change in labor laws, temporary workers now make up a third of Japan's workforce. They make less, have few employment rights compared to full-time workers, and are being fired en masse in Japan's recession. They're the working poor, and they're the ones losing their jobs, says the Young Workers Union Makoto Kawazoe. It's not true anymore that Japan is a stable, rich country. Kawazoe says there's not enough unemployment insurance for these workers and not enough jobs, so the fired have no way out. Compounding the problem, Tokyo is one of the world's most expensive cities, so the line between comfortably middle class to suddenly homeless is in some cases very thin. It was for Ito, who still grieves for what he once had, but he's trying to focus on rebuilding a life. Step by step, he says, a process that is painfully slow, unlike how quickly you can lose it all in this economy. Kyunghwa, CNN, Tokyo.